best gauge of success of Jet ConneX is how fast it's being adopted at the OEM level. We're seeing uptake rates above 90%. And in the aftermarket, they're not too far behind. We're going to be at 400 aircraft by the time we reach NBAA, and that is a 125 aircraft increase from eBase, which was only a few months ago. What differentiates Jet ConneX from our competition is our global coverage. We're the only option out there that covers 100% of airline routes and every island in between. So for a director of maintenance worrying about where the boss wants to go for spring break, don't worry. Even if it's Bora Bora, we've got you covered. Second, we offer the best data plans in the industry. With 15 megabits per second, you are guaranteed to be able to support multiple streaming devices, because even though you only have a passenger load of maybe 2 or 3 people, they all carry 3 to 4 devices with them. And that's okay. There's no need to worry. We got you covered. Business aviation has some of the best distribution partners in the industry: Satcom Direct, AirInc Direct, and Go Direct. They provide a number of value-added services for every budget and every aircraft type. You never have to worry about the quality of service you're getting, because as Inmarsat stands behind them, we're here to support you. NBAA is the conference everyone on the business aviation team looks forward to every year. It's one of the few places where we can all get together and swap stories and hear about all the adventures they've gone on with Jet ConneX. Even our partners have stories of customers knitting together Apple TVs and sling boxes to get the boss's favorite Fox News channel going. It really has been an exciting time to see these directors of avionics and directors of maintenance take this giant pipe, which they can do anything with, and find the most creative ways to stream the content that only their bosses would want to see. Whether it's the NFL package for one, Fox News 24/7 for another, or just binge watching their favorite Netflix show. The opportunities that have been presented to them with this giant pipe are endless. At NBAA, we'll reach 400 customers, and they have been our biggest advocate as to how well the service is doing. I could tell you that we're hitting our CIR 100% of the time, and that we're in the high 90s for the MER, and that customers are saying great things. Ask them. They'll tell you, and they love to tell you, and they love even more to show you. Go out to the plane, go see the demos, go out to the flight line, because with 400 customers so far, somebody on your flight line has got Jet ConneX. See it for yourself. So, what does the future hold for Jet ConneX? I expect the next time we show up at NBAA a year from now that 400 has become over 800. And there's so many customers stopping by the booth to tell us their stories about how their bosses use Jet ConneX that there'll be a line. And we'll all be sharing stories and laughing about how great the service has been, where it's been, and what they've been using it for. So, 800 aircraft. I'll see you next year. Inmarsat's European aviation network is tailored for business and general aviation customers. We've designed a connectivity solution that provides the coverage and the high speed customers demand at the lowest cost per megabyte available today. Let's show you the coverage. Both the SATCOM and the air-to-ground component are in the S-band. The satellite footprint keeps you covered over the open water, and the complementary air-to-ground provides the dense capacity needed to support the apps like live TV, Netflix, and other streaming services. EAN will provide data plan speeds up to 15 megabits per second. Tailored for Europe and brought to you by a European partnership between Germany's Deutsche Telekom and the UK's Inmarsat. EAN is up and running and coming to business aviation in early 2019. STCs are underway. Check back for updates.